How to check block list on emo. Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Skytech Studios. If you find out all your block contacts on your emo account, then here's how you can do this process. It's super easy, but before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to find out all your blocked contacts, you just need to open up the emo application from your phone, and from the emo homepage, go and tap on this profile icon at the top left. And from the profile, you just need to go and tap on security and privacy. And from security and privacy, if you scroll down a little bit under the security, you'll get to see the blocked list. You just need to tap on block list, and this is going to show you all the blocked contact that you have done so far. So I only have one contact blocked on my account, so you can actually see that, and also you can unblock the person from here by pressing the unlock button here. Hope you find this to be helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.